Oh my God. Y'all seeing it first here on my channel. We got a Stetsom Bravo 12K here. This is the second one here in the US.
It rises to 1.5 ohms.
Okay. Wow. Real world tested here. That's 2 platinum 15s, y'all. Y'all saw it. Man, oh man. 2 15s. We got dual inputs. Wow. Give y'all a good glimpse of your settings here. So, like I said, y'all saw it here first. Real world, we in the garage. Y'all see the garage. It's in the car. It's not on the test bench. Probably could perform better on the test bench. It kind of gives you an idea of what it could do in your car, what it could do in your van, truck, whatever, boat, whatever. So I think that's definitely a win on that amp. He's done it multiple times. You just heard him saying in the background. This ain't the first time. I've seen the post.
Watch it again?
Oh, I already seen it, Josh.
Bunch of times.
Time off for the video.
Hey, why not? Wow.
Just like now you seen it just did fucking 156.8 at 13,874 watts. So it's like the subs are obviously warm after the first burp.
Yep. So the amp put out 131.8 volts. We got 107.7 amps of current pull during that burp.
And volt ampere was 14,303.
Hey, y'all can do the math.
1.23 ohms.
1.2. Check it out. Y'all see it? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all found it informative. Please share. Let people know about this amp. It's check out resilientsounds.com, their website.
It's
if
also
you're here
at
in the Midwest.
15.3 volts.
Oh wow.
It's not at no 16 or 18 or something.
Yeah, no 16 volt life, no 18 volt life. We're at 15.3 volts. If you're in the Midwest, get in touch with my boy right here, Josh. He's a distributor for these amps. You can check him out. More SPO1 is his YouTube channel. He's also known as the JJ Boxman. You can also find him on Chicago Car Audio or Illinois Bass Heads. This is what he does, so yes. Peace and bass.